Welcome back to another detail video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your floor mats. Before we get started, let me show you guys what I'm working with today. I don't know if you guys can see this. I want you guys to see it. It's dirty. This is actually from my personal car. This is my car's floor mat. So as you guys can see, I am a detailer, but I don't keep up with my cars very well because I'm too busy always taking care of other people's cars that sometimes I forget to clean my own. So today I'm going to be cleaning this real quick. I'm going to show you guys the steps that I used to clean the floor mat, and it's simple. All you need is first thing you need, vacuum, some type of shampoo. What I use is Shao Auto shampoo, drill brush, and I have a little extractor, which is it's called the little green Bissel. And all you gotta do is put a little bit of solution in this, and you can use some warm water, hot water, or just, you don't have to add a lot of solution to this. That's about as much as you need. That's not very much. I'll show you guys. So the first thing you want to do is vacuum the floor mat, that way you can get it cleaned up as much as possible. So we got it cleaned up, but it still looks like crap. So next step. Now the next thing you want to do is spray some sort of all-purpose cleaner, APC, all over the floor mat. You don't have to get it too wet, but if you do, it doesn't really matter because they tend to dry up pretty quick. And then you just simply... This brush that I'm using right here has very soft bristles, so it's not going to damage any type of material. It's specifically made for upholstery. I like to also apply some type of shampoo to make it smell good, and this also helps to get them cleaned up. Don't worry, I'm not doing too much. That's about as much as we're gonna do with the... Okay, last but not least, then that is basically it. That's all you want to do. That is my process to cleaning floor mats. You guys can see how good that looks. It looks a lot better. Obviously the designs are not, you know, even, but that's not the point of this video. But it does make the whole detail look a lot better once you learn how to do designs like that, which is not very hard. So yeah, again, super clean, some type of APC, shampoo, a drill brush, a vacuum, and a little extractor. This is mine. You can get this at Walmart for like $90, and this right there has been one of my best investments. I can only imagine what a very expensive extractor can do, but for now this will do. You guys can see the difference now, how good it looks. So there you guys have it. That's a very simple way to get your floor mats clean. That process also works for the interior of the car, the carpet inside the car. That works perfectly fine for that. That is my go-to products. Like I said, you can use Folex. LA is totally awesome. Super clean is what I use, but I actually have a little bit of LA's totally awesome now. I'm about to be testing that out. So yeah, like I said, this is all about learning and trying different things, and for me this is what works best as far as cleaning floor mats. and if you guys are wondering how long it takes to dry, I mean, you're gonna have to use the little green Bissel quite a bit without spraying no water or anything. You're just gonna have to use the extractor part, and then if that doesn't do the job all the way, then you can get the shop vac. I have 2 of them. So then you put it on the water setting so you can dry up the water, and that also will help you get them dry quicker. I mean, there's different ways to work around it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm only on 4 subscribers. How is this possible? My other channel's at 160 now. So help me get my subscriber count up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. If I missed anything, any tips you want to give me, or any future videos you guys want to see from this channel. God bless all you guys.